okay, kids, I know it's your first day of high school and you're kind of nervous. Yeah, you're dumb. Yeah. Hey guys, don't be mean to our teacher, but he is dumb. Okay, I know we're kind of mean because you woke up at 5. I woke up at 5 p.m. I can't be here. Hey, you're knocking down my desk. I can't be here anymore. You know what? Okay, don't touch that. Don't touch that. We're gonna be alone about it. And if you touch, and if you break it, and if the light turns orange, it means we only have 5 seconds to live. Screw this. Beep. Oh God. What is happening now? I try to teach you guys. I'm not wasting my time burning in eternal hell. So I'm just gonna wake up and try to live my normal life. Never mind. This is the worst day of my life. Hey, it's your fault, kids. You know what? No. It's your fault, kids. You did not do your homework. I mean, you did not be good students. And I'm not touching the hot. Ah, my hand! Whoa, look at what happened to my students. Hey guys, wanna see what this does? This is like something out of a movie. Hey, give me that. That's something dangerous you should not play with. What, I'm just gonna whoa, wait a second. Okay, let me drop it on the floor real quick. Now what about if I turn the spawn on? What is going on here? Oh, my legs! Oh, hide. Bro, Ad always ruins this. Bro, what the hell? Get me out the sad. Oh, I broke my bone. I'm the principal of this class, and I'm not paying for this damn school. So yeah, just quit. I'm not paying for this damn school, and what is going on? And also, I'm not I'm not paying for my damn body. I'm going to a, you know what? Should I go to a hospital or should I go to you know what? No, I'm just going at home. This is so normal in Lemon Town.